Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
What's up, my brodies? It is Andrew Rapier here of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I got a new drum kit for you guys. It's a free drum kit. It is the AT Unloaded kit. As you guys can see right here, we got 808s, claps, and snares, effects, hi-hats, kicks, loops, and percussion. So there's about like 35, 36 different samples in here. I'll go through a couple of them. It's free download just over at beatat.com. All you need to do is sign in or sign up. Free to sign up if you aren't already signed up. Log in, go to the downloads page, and download it. I'll put the link down in the description down below as well. So 808, decent 808s. I like them. Couple different snares and claps, mostly more of the clap variants. Recorded these and created some more texture type of sounding effects. I think the claps and snares could be a really good sample to use as a way of percussion, or I do think the snare beefy combo and the clap snare combo could be good for main clap and snare as well. Effects. Little impact siren, moving water, slushy water, or like water. I don't know what you guys may have in mind per se for that. That could be more of a percussive element. Sweep up, another sweep up, a little bit different. Little fluttering hat with a delay and reverb. I feel like that could be more of a percussive element rather than a hi-hat. Obviously you wouldn't be doing the hi-hat roll probably, but you never know. I don't know what creative, maybe with stutters, reverses, drills, velocity changes, it could be something really interesting. I don't know. Kick, very powerful vinyl kick. Something that could be used for like a Travis Scott, Kanye West type beat, I feel like. Now the loops are what I like a whole bunch. I think the loops really shine the most. I'll go through these percussions real quick because the loop is going to take the longest, and then I'm going to try to get a beat going so we can make a beat with this kit. Alright, anyways though. So, more percussive type sounds. I do think these elements do come beneficial, like for like a Gunna type beat or like a Lil Baby type beat. It just depends on how you use it. Now the loops though. So I'm gonna go through each one, but then I'm gonna use one to make a beat from it. It's a long. This is a short loop. Short loop. Now the thing is, some of these loops are really long, so look. You see, now there's a whole bunch more. Now if we go to 160, it'll be in the actual tempo, but let's just link it. The tempo is 160, so I'm gonna type in the 160. All I did was right click, go to auto detect, and then change the tempo. So it's gonna stretch it, and that's important because I'm in a 140 tempo for the actual project. So if my tempo of the sample is different, it isn't gonna match up, and the cuts are all gonna be off. It's just best if I do this. So now if I play it. So if I go 150, so I'm going to disable that. I'm going to just pick a couple parts to chop up. So we could create a gross beat effect. So maybe if we do that. Well then grab this. So I'm gonna make this. So I'm going to make this unique, or we already got it made unique. So I'm going to stretch it. Oh, shoot. So we do need to figure out that key. So Edison, because we did change the key around. Detect pitch region C, G, 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 C, 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 B, B, B. So let's go ahead and try it with one of these 808s. Back up, pull this down a little bit more, pull in that EQ. I mean, we could change this tempo up to maybe like a 120. But then that changes the key and all this other jazz, so it's better if we just do this, honestly. Oh, that's a little too clicky. That's one of them. Alright, so I'm going to grab a snare now, or something of that element. What are we thinking? Snare, clap. Okay. This is kind of like how I would go about making a beat. I mean, or a beat. I mean, we could have sampled this differently. We could have used less chops and made it different. But, you know, this is what I was going for, I guess. Let me get that kick in there. We need to get that fruity limiter. Alright, Sangudizer. I like the Sangudizer with the kick. what can we do? Line. Or if we switch it around like that. Gotta do that. I forgot the gross beat got turned off. But I mean, yeah, this is just clearly one way. Clearly, just one of many ways you can make a beat with the kit. I mean, there's other samples you guys could use for different approaches. It's just all about, like, I want to give you guys quality stuff for you guys to work with, so you guys could go through the troubles of making bad beats faster than I did. And what I mean by that is, like, you're gonna make a whole bunch of bad beats before you make, like, really good beats. And I'm not saying what I'm cooking right now is, like, the greatest of all time. I'm just saying, like, my beats that I did a while back, mad dookie. But, like, some of the beats that, I mean, you guys could see, like, just from uploading some of the new beats over to the channel, I feel like the feedback has been much more positive, and that's just because we're uploading new quality stuff. So trying to keep up with that. For those of you guys that are new, we also upload beats, you know, beat tutorials, beat sessions, all the sorts. So I'm gonna just do this just so we get a little bit of bounce. Hopefully that isn't too much bounce. That wasn't what I was wanting. I like the ride. Gonna lay down some percussion like hi-hats. So this is just a beat, one beat of many beats that you could cook up. I know I took a decent amount of time. I spent a little time. I'll probably cut this video up a bit, but yeah. Link is in the description for this kit, as well as many other drum kits. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. This is Andrew, trying to get back in the swing of things of YouTube and dealing with all the other stuff that's been popping up. So it's been very busy couple weeks. So thank you guys for those that have stayed with us and have been watching. More is to come. Thank you, and adios.